They say where there is earth, there is life. But for one man, earth is more than just life. It is a legacy, a livelihood, and a lesson in resilience.
Good afternoon, it's saying.
Oh, Nyankopon adom me ho ye pa wa hema.
Bacha from saying.
Bacha ye from Richmond oben ye bo a.
Okay, Richmond. Na wudi eduane wa yewa mo.
Bacha me tadidi wa asanka mo pa.
Asanka mo.
Ebra na mi so nyina ayoa mu ana na mi didi ntimi de me pe ayoa mu didi mo pa.
Oh, I see. Today eduane na wudi wa yewa mo.
Eduane a mi di na ayoa mu mani jipa efufu.
I didn't know pe asanka mo eduane.
De enti a me pe asanka mo aduane ne se. Ejane ma mienu so. Se ye nyina ye behwe aduane gu asanka mu ana se apetayoa mu a. Ema aduane ne ya akọ de di kan. Na de toso mienu nso ba ma so de udidi e wo se wo hwe nkwan. Enti se aduane ne ye yiwu entoa mienu na se nkwan no gu ho na enam gu so a. In fact, esan say ya akọ no nti uti ho a utimi di efili.
You know that, back in the past, people used to use ayoa a lot or asanka a lot to eat, but nowadays with modern trends, people are using ceramic bowls and plastic bowls and the like. What would you say to people who do not prefer asanka and prefer ceramic bowls and plastic bowls to eat in?
Okay, from my point of view, I think it should be natural. You should prefer eating in asanka than rather the ceramic bowls.
On say ewiase de obiane de ope. But me ankasa de me bana de bifufu ato. Bo mu kra meyi afrim e de aba ayom. Enti me say me yere na di ka ma na ehun say me de bo ne sa ne ma ne de mu adidie de me mpe. E bia aduane bi say ampesie bi di a eguma me ni problem. Na say aduane enkwan won hu say fufu a menya time matretre me twa me fufu adidie me pe na yuam.
Inti because I attractive and inti na obese o use ayoa na.
No ye number 1. Ana ayoa no so me hu say udidi ma emfa yare bi amro.
Okay. Then I'll be catching call for or feel say asanka no e bibi e fimbi inti won't mean didi e wo fie. Then I'll be catch them.
The me catch am ne say asanka no ye nyina ye gitum say tetetete. Na nananum yusu. E twa na omunyini che. And now Roberts na aba ye didim no nsunsanso bebre na wom. And now ye say ye call western culture. Utimu say niema bi wo ho na ye ya emwayen tete na ensu ana ye nananom emianum wo fie okwa egukulam eno no ye de netie na ye netie kro ya na de ya asanka enti ukọ na asabi num a wo se wanum nsuo but ene sachet waters ya bai typhoid ne ade eno ana de mayen enti nananom ana omudidi asanka mu a na omunum kulam nsuo ne ahina mu nsuo no utimu say na omunyini che na ebo omo.
I'll tell them to now patronize the asanka because it's healthier and it's less expensive. So I will encourage them to be buying the asanka rather than the ceramics and the others.
The same thing as my sister said. They should patronize that one rather than the ceramic and the plastic ones because it's healthy. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So you heard them. It's good to go for the asanka or ayoa as others will call it. It's healthier, and of course, once you plate the food in it, it looks so attractive. So what's not to like about asanka? Try one now.
This be me, Kobe, aka Kobe Boga, KB for short. And this is my sweetheart, Obahima. Today, I get big surprise for her. Charlie, gone are the days I couldn't spoil my girl. Now I'm engaged to the woman of my dreams. Don't just look at my success. To get here, I had to follow the process. Out of nowhere, I lost my job. But I believe in humble beginnings. I got an idea that I knew I could grow. I started from a small setup, then invested in growing my own coconuts. I then grew my product lines. Now, I sell to many supermarkets in the country. Fellow young Ghanaians, trust the process and keep hope alive.
Take advantage of agri-business through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.